Want to make your track stand out? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add basic automation in FL Studio. Let's get started. So first, open up FL Studio and import your favorite track. Once that's done, go ahead and left click on this small button located right here. This will bring up various pop-up options. Since we're learning about automation, navigate and hover over automation. Once you do that, you'll see two options, panning and volume. Today, we'll go with volume. After you click on volume, an automation layer will be created for your audio. Drag and drop this layer right onto your main track. Now, you can adjust your fade in volume accordingly by adjusting the dots as shown right here. If you want to add more points to control the volume further, just right click on the automation line to add more dots. Once that's done, click play. And there you go. You've successfully added volume automation. But wait, you can get creative too. Just click on this small button located right here, and once you're there, select create a sequence. Here, you can play around with the points to make your audio choppy or give it some unique effects. And just like that, the automation is created. Easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.